Hi everyone, I'm doing another unboxing today, and it's in this gigantic bag, or box I should say, with all this air paper. I did purchase it from Rebag. They were doing a 10% discount sale, and let me just take it out. I did end up buying this on Rebag after I tried it on in store, and I'll show you guys mod shots and such, because this is significantly much cheaper than if I were to buy it in store, at least like $1,200 less. But here she is. My camera just died, but this is the bag. Like I said, it is from Rebag, and I saved about, I want to say 30 to 40% off retail. I don't know if the size fits me though. I don't know. I feel like it's too big, but at the same time the small is too small. The interior is, it literally does not, I mean it fits a good amount, but it doesn't fit nearly as much as exterior wise it looks like it would fit. Does that make sense? I don't think I'm making sense, but yeah, I don't know. Let me show you guys some mod shots. I'm 4'11". Well, actually I'm 5'1", and I'm about a size 12 for reference. Shoulder, back, front. This way it doesn't look that big. It reminds me of my Birkin 30 with the shoulder strap. Crossbody, I don't mind it either. Like, it hits me not too low. It hits me fine. It does look a little bit more bulky, but I don't know. It's like, I think it's because it's so flat and like mushy and pliable that it's not too overwhelming. Maybe that's just me trying to sell myself on it. That's how it looks like. It's like a clutch. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I return it? The straps, the bag itself is really comfortable. It's not too heavy. It's just fine. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep it. I'm so undecided. But it looks cute, right? It looks not bad. I do like the color. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.